I have just arrived to India! A country you might think is poor, but is actually rich. Rich with people. There are 1.3 billion of them. With culture, they have more than 1 million gods. And so many religions, even cricket is considered one. Rich with symbolism. So many dances for so many occasions and festivals. With food, flavors, and color. India is rich, and for the next 20 days, my goal is to become as Indian as possible. So I'm turning vegetarian like many of them. This is my last piece of meat. I'm dressing up with more colors, and I'm trying my shot at their religion, cricket, unsuccessfully so. If in the next 20 days I can capture 1% of India's magic, then I'll be rich just like them!